Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashions. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always, and we Rice Fashions are really very happy that you all are loving our collection. Thank you so much. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some smart, trendy, beautiful, exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. 8M1 is saree code 3250 is saree price. Very beautiful bright one, premium quality, pure handloom, soft resham dhakai, heavy self weaving dhakai work. Very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant looks. Yellow, bright yellow with bright fresh pink contrast weaving work. Very nice one, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. Half portion is fresh magenta bright pink shade, and half portion is yellow shaded with self weaving work, full self weaving dhakai body. Very nice one. And this one is contrast pink shaded pallu with beautiful hand weaving dhakai work, premium quality, pure handloom, soft resham dhakai jamdani. Half portion is pink shaded, half portion is bright yellow shaded, beautiful weaving dhakai work. Very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant looks. Without running blouse piece, I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3900 for your smart, beautiful, bright, exclusive, traditional looks. Very nice one, soft resham dhakai jamdani. Very exclusive one. This one also very beautiful one, very exclusive collections. 8MM3 is saree code 6000 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful weaving work. Very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom one. And this one is border portions, fine golden zari, fine stripes weaving border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful contrast color, threaded weaving, fully hand weaving work. Very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom tussar with beautiful weaving work. And this one is border portions, golden zari, fine stripes pattern border. Very elegant, exclusive looks. And this one is running blouse piece. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks. 6000 is saree price. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Premium quality, pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful weaving work. This one also very trendy one. 8MM3 is saree code 6000 is saree price. Very smart one, premium quality, pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful weaving pattern. Very beautiful, exclusive looks, beautiful fine weaving buta work. And this one is border portion is very beautiful weaving Manipuri weaving pattern, weaving design. This one is full border portions, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks. And this one is beautiful weaving buta work, premium quality, pure handloom tussar silk with weaving Manipuri weaving border. Very exclusive, beautiful looks, fully Manipuri pattern weaving border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. This portion is traditional Bengal, traditional dhakai jamdani weaving pallu. Very exclusive collection. Base is tussar, border is Manipuri weaving border, beautiful small weaving buta work, and pallu is Bengal traditional dhakai jamdani work. Very exclusive, beautiful collections, very elegant also. I will suggest this silk material with self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your smart, beautiful, very elegant looks. This one also very bright one, 8mm4 is saree code, 3000 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton, ikat pattern and contrast border and full border portions, beautiful golden zari weaving jamdani design, very smart, elegant, bright, beautiful looks. And this one is border portions contrast color with beautiful golden zari weaving border, ikat pattern, and this one is half portion is beautiful fine weaving buta work and half portion is ikat pattern with beautiful golden zari weaving jamdani design border, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful golden zari weaving jamdani design, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton with beautiful weaving work, very smart, elegant looks, ikat pattern, very exclusive collections. Smart, trendy, bright one. I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, self contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3400 for your smart, beautiful, trendy, bright, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, 8mm5 is saree code, 3000 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful ikat pattern border, contrast color with ikat pattern border, this beautiful weaving pattern, ikat border, contrast ikat border, multicolored weaving buta work, very smart, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful, fully hand weaving chatai design, chatai weaving design, very smart, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, ikat and contrast border, very smart, elegant looks, exclusive one, summer friendly, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful chatai weaving jamdani design, pallu, very exclusive one. I will suggest this silk material with weaving, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3400 for your smart, trendy, beautiful, exclusive looks. Very beautiful, bright one, 8mm6 is saree code, 2900 is a saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton, ikat pattern jamdani design, very exclusive one, bright looks, beautiful color combinations, navy blue with yellow contrast looks, very nice one, beautiful ikat pattern. And this one is border portion contrast color, silk material border, very beautiful one, have sign also, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton with beautiful ikat pattern and fine weaving design buta work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, trendy, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, zari weaving with contrast threaded weaving jamdani design, very smart, elegant, beautiful looks, contrast border, ikat pattern, very exclusive collections, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3400 for your smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton jamdani, ikat pattern. This one also very smart looks. At 8mm7 is saree code, 2300 is a saree price, soft silk material with contrast border, beautiful printed one. This one is beautiful printed one, pure handloom, soft silk, contrast border, contrast color border. This one is pallu part, pallu also stripes pattern, beautiful print, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, best for your regular wear, office wear, very trendy, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. I will suggest this silk material with buta work printed contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2600 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks, elegant daily looks. This one also very smart one, beautiful looks. 8mm8 is saree code, 2500 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton slab with beautiful ikat pattern, silver zari border, black piping, beautiful looks, baby pink base, silver zari border, black piping, and this one is contrast pallu, contrast color, black shaded ikat pallu, stripes line highlighting, very smart, elegant, beautiful looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton slab with ikat design, ikat pattern, very smart, elegant, beautiful looks, baby pink base, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, ikat pattern, silver zari border, contrast pallu, black with ikat design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. I will suggest this silk material with checks, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. It is contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2900 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very smart one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton slab with beautiful ikat pattern pallu. 8mm9 is saree code, 2500 is saree price, very elegant color, but white base with beautiful printed, silver zari border, blue piping, pure white base, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton slab, and this one is silver zari border, blue piping, very beautiful one, smart, trendy, elegant look, soft, lightweight, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color ikat pattern pallu, and this white base, silver zari border, and beautiful printed one, very smart, elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2900 for your smart, beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks. Also very beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane, very elegant combinations. 8M M10 is saree code, 3500 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with grey shade with orange contrast with Dhakai weaving border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, grey base, and this one is orange threaded weaving Dhakai work border, very beautiful, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is beautiful Dhakai border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, stripes lines with beautiful weaving buta work, very smart, trendy, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful Dhakai border, very exclusive one. I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3900 for your smart, trendy, beautiful, very elegant looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, grey shade with Dhakai work, premium quality, pure handloom, soft resham Dhakai with beautiful Jamdani design, very nice one, very colorful also, contrast color weaving Dhakai work, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. 3400 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.